Okay, so in this video today, it's gonna be a super simple, quick, easy DIY to do. Super simple, quick, easy. Hey, and welcome back to my channel. It's Ashley here, and if you are new, hey girl, hey! Make sure you click on that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll always be up to date with my latest tutorials. Alright, so in this DIY today, I'm going to show you guys how to create these super cute cutting boards using the clear cutting boards from the Dollar Tree. So first of all, I have a funny story because when I started this DIY, I did not get the clear cutting boards because I did not know that the Dollar Tree had the clear cutting boards. I thought they just had the ones with the designs on them. Don't ask me why. So I get the ones with the designs on them, and I'm trying to remove the designs. This is a quick story, I promise. I tried to remove the designs, and it was super hard. Like, I tried stitchy strip, I tried to use the razors, everything. It wasn't working, and I was like, oh my god, this is a fail. It's a fail. But then I discovered that the Dollar Tree has just the plain clear ones, which made this DIY so much easier. I mean, I don't know why I did not know that before, but anyways, so this DIY is super quick and easy. Seriously. So let's get into it. Okay, so for this project, you're just going to need to get the clear, remember the clear cutting boards from the Dollar Tree. All right, so after I have removed each of the cutting boards from their plastic, I'm going to be removing these little clear circles that are on the back. And to do that, I'm just going to be using the razors that you can pick up from the Dollar Tree. So after you remove the little circles on the back, just make sure you don't throw them out. Just keep them to the side because you're going to be able to place these back on to the back when you're finished. Alright, so now I'm just going to take the nice little hard scrub pads that you can get from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to scrub over where the sticky residue is so that I'll be able to see it more clearly, and then take my razor and remove those sticky areas. Alright, so now we're going to get to the good stuff. So I got these scrapbook pieces of paper from Hobby Lobby. They are the 8.5 by 11 sheets. And all I did was I went on canva.com and I printed out the word gather onto the sheet of paper. And then all I'm going to do now is add my cutting board on top. And then I am going to cut it out using my box cutter. Alright, so now for our square cutting board, I'm going to do that same thing. I created this saying, well, I didn't create the saying, but I printed out the saying, bless this mess. And now I'm just going to add my square cutting board on top, and then I'm going to cut this one out as well. Okay, so the word gather and the saying bless this mess, I'm going to have free printables down below for you. So you can definitely print this out if you like the look, and you can use them yourself. So make sure you check that out down below in my description box. Okay, so since this is a cutting board, you're definitely going to be wiping this off with water or whatever you're going to use, and you're going to need to protect that paper. So to do that, I just picked up this nice plastic file organizer, and I'm going to place my cutting board on top of it, take my razor, and I'm going to cut out what I don't need. Now they do have like the self laminate sheets, so you could definitely use those and add your paper in it and then cut around it that way so you can seal your paper. So whatever you choose, I just didn't feel like going to the other stores because I think you can get it from like Walmart or Staples or something like that, and cut it out and add it to the back. So I'm just using this to do that, cutting it out and adding it to the back. Okay, so to attach everything together, I'm going to be using my spray adhesive, and the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to attach the plastic part to my paper. So I'm just going to spray it with the adhesive and add them together. And then after I add those together, I'm then going to take the whole like backing, and I'm going to spray the glass and then add it to the back. So now that everything is nice and dry, I'm just going to take my razor and I'm going to clean around the edges because obviously I didn't place this on there completely in the center. So I'm just going to remove any of the excess that is left off on the sides and clean it up. All right, and the last step to this is just adding those clear little circular pieces back on the back, and all you have to do is simply just place them back on there because they still have the adhesive on there. But if not, you can use your spray adhesive and spray them back on there. Use your glue gun, whatever you want to use, E6000, to add these back to the back, and that is it for this DIY. Alright, so that is the end of the video. As always, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. And make sure you comment down below to let me know what you think. And I will see you in my next one. Bye!